Alrighty, hello everybody. This here is some of the premium topsoil enriched with black cow, which has got cow manure in it. I've never used this before. I've never had to grow a garden with this type of dirt before, so that's very challenging. But yeah, it's nice, good dark dirt. See, that's a little tidbit for you. The darker the dirt, the better it is. But I wanted to share this with you. I might have to go get some more, and this is where it's going to go. Now, if you're wondering why I put them back here at this back fence, is because I'm going to use this back fence and these wires, or this cow, what they call bull wire, as trellis for the vines and stuff. And as you'll see, there's places that I can, hook it up there and then bring it down and hook it around the metal so it can grow, especially with the beans and what's going to be the future cucumbers. Okay, so we'll do a little bit at a time. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let me see if I can zoom in. With them green beans there, see, there's a new one. I went ahead and added the rest of that packet of seeds to it. And tomatoes, I went ahead and added the rest of the package of seeds to it and put a little bit more soil in there. Still nothing on the oregano and basil. But we're fixing to take the oregano and basil, whichever one they are. Oh man, this morning I'm still on my coffee. We're going to put them in here. Add some of this black velvet premium topsoil with cow manure in it to that. But okay, hopefully we'll see a bunch of green back there by the end of the summer. Alrighty, let's see. I got the hot pepper salsa blend planted in here. As we will wobble over here, in this here container, I went ahead and put the cucumbers, and then we got the thyme, and we got cilantro in here, and of course y'all know them. But let's see how these do coming up and stuff, and we're just gonna go from there. Well, we got our happy gardening going. Let's walk over here. We've got some tomatoes coming up. Well, not tomatoes, I mean oregano, I believe that's what it is. Right there it is, little bitty baby thing. Right here's our maters. They started coming up. Our basil. It's either basil or oregano. I'll be able to tell when it comes up more. Green beans seem to be doing pretty good. Got there. See, what's this here? This here is thyme. Thyme is on my side. Peppers. Let's see what this is. Cucumbers. Made a little progress over here. Went ahead and cut down the tomato bull wire again. And I'm trying to manipulate this dirt into a mound right here. Then I'll put the seeds down here in the bottom. Still kind of composting all that right there. But I hadn't seen no more tracks. It's a labor of love is what this is. Oh, looky here. See that right there? There's the sunflowers. They're coming up. Those are mammoth sunflowers. Well, good morning, y'all. Mammoth. It's a me bug out. Anyway, well, tree trimmers came and cut a bunch of limbs off the trees and stuff. I'm going to share that with you. But we've decided that this back portion of the yard, let me show it to you. This area right here, up to that corner of that fence, over to probably about right here, so is going to be an herb garden. But here's one of the big old trees. Look at that big old huge tree. Anyway, here's some little clippings I saved. They're really cool. Look at this one. Isn't this cool? I thought that is just as cool as it can be. I love wood. Look at this one. And this one. I thought about tying some string around them, making a wind chime. But if all else fails, it's fire starter. Multiple purposes, remember. Anyway, here's this one tree. That baby's huge. Anyhow, they cut a bunch off of it. And then, look at this one right here. Look at how big that is. That was a big old huge branch. This one had lots. This one had branches that went all the way over the top of the house. Let's look down in there. See if we can see anything. Can you see anything in there? See any vermits down in there? Isn't that huge? This is as big around as my body, just about. Yeah. We filled it up with some foam. Had to redneck it up. You know what I'm saying. Keep the tree from falling for now. For at least a couple years. But yeah, that area over there is going to be an herb garden and stuff. I'm walking where the trampoline used to be. Let's take a peek at the vegetables here. See, I got some cucumbers coming up in there. Here's some bell peppers over here. That one with the purple. This is, I think, a thyme or something. I'll be able to tell. Tomatoes. See how these are doing. Our green beans. We got those herbs coming up. Those herbs coming up. This is off the trees. The trees here were already budding. What is that? Let's see what. Oh, that's the thyme. Time is on my side. Yes, it is. So we think. Anyhow, the sunflowers are coming up pretty good. Let me see if I can zoom in on this. See the sunflowers? They're coming up pretty good. Zoom out. There's that right there. Ain't nothing coming up in these yet. I figure in about another week or so, I'm going to make a tripod with these 3 here sticks. There's some tomatoes. That tomato I threw down in there. See it? Right over there. Let me see. There it is. Yeah. I'm going to use this to stake the tomatoes up with when they start coming up. Bell peppers with some eggshells thrown in there. And these are, I threw some strawberry clippings in here. But this is going to be, of course, the cucumbers. We got us another one over here. I've been putting cuttings off in this one, but this one's carrots. I got onion cuttings in there. Can't ever tell what's going to come up in this dirt because of it's the red sand. You can't ever tell what's going to grow in it. And I don't have the means to do that super duper fertilizing. And I'm trying to quick start this stuff. Because last year I didn't have any permission to do any gardening or anything like that. This year I do. But I'm feeling pretty good this morning. I'm up walking around. I haven't started doing anything. But I'm just on my second cup of coffee. So anyway, I'll get back with y'all. Thank you to all my new subscribers and my current subscribers and my older subscribers for supporting me and being on this wonderful adventure. We don't ever know where we're going to end up, do we? All right, y'all. I'll talk to you later. Keep on prepping. Start gardening or something. Ciao. Sun's in my eyes.